everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a small Porsche project. We are going to build a small headlight wiring loom with some relays to give the headlights a little bit more oomph. So from factory you get 12 volts from your switch, 12 volts from the battery to the switch to the headlights. And so this way it uses the switch as just the switch to say turn it on and off, but it uses power from the battery to give your headlights full battery power. So that way it just gives your lights a little bit more power rather than running it through the factory way. It's nice and easy. I've made up a little crude wiring diagram that I'll add to the end of the video as well to the description. It's a little bit crude as in it's just drawn out how I would see it easily done. It might not make sense to everyone, but I found it was pretty simple. So have a look. It might help some people. And yeah, it's pretty easy to do. I've seen other places sell it online for like $60, and it probably cost me about $20 to make, maybe 30. So a little bit of a saving and nice and easy to make at home with some small basic tools. Just here, I'm just whipping it up, nice and easy, just wiring it as the wiring diagram. I have put some sizes in for the wires, but they really don't need to be that length. It was more, if you had about that much wire, it would give you a little bit of playroom and you could tie the rest out of the way. And then the extra length you can either chop off if it's too long or whatever. But yeah, just a rough guide of what to use. So let's jump into it and let's see how we go. Okay, to do this, we're going to have to turn the headlights on to make sure we have the correct fuses. So, from what research I've done, it should be this yellow one here and this white one here, which is fuse 6 and 8, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Which should be the headlight power wires to each side. So we'll hook up the battery. Turn the headlights on and just make sure they are the correct ones. Keys. There you go. Ignition on. Lights on. We should have a bit of power, and so put that one down there, and this one should be on. Yep, and then that one. Maybe it's not that one. Yeah, it should be that one. Oh god. Maybe it's not. Okay, so I was almost right. So this one here and this one here are both the headlights, except this one is low beam and this one is high beam. So when you turn this one on, or high beam on, this one powers up. So the way I've made this should still work. So this will run both of the low beams and this will power the high beams. So what I need to do is put this in the yellow bit on the, need to put this bit in the yellow fuse holder and then the yellow fuse wire up into here, and then the white wire fuse, you need to pull the wire out of there and put it on here and put this one in the hole. So we'll quickly do that. And then and then these two need to go, one to ground and the other one to power. Just need to crimp and solder that one on and we should be good to go. Oh, way better. Look at that. So before we had 10.9 volts and we now have 12 volts. So way better. Done. There we go. So it works. They work really well. So as I said, it's got 12 volts now because it makes sense because it's 12 volts straight from the battery to the relay. It's actually probably should have a little bit more, but the battery's a little bit flat at the moment. So in hindsight or in further altercations, I'll probably make this earth wire a little bit longer just because it's a little bit tight and I'd like to tuck it around and get it out of the way. And you can just make this one a little bit longer to pull it out. But my first original plan, and probably still is to, I've got some little fuse boxes, sorry, little relay housings, which I want to put in here and put them in so I can just slot the two relays into the holes because I'm not using them and they're there, so I might as well. But yeah, just a nice little easy Sunday job for anyone who wants a little bit better headlights in their old 911. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Cheers.